बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है गुलजार आलम के हवाले से। गुलजार आलम इज़ अ पश्तो सिंगर फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान। He is famous Pashto folk and ghazal singer, musician and composer with fan base from Pakistan, Afghanistan and around the world. He completed his bachelor's degree in fine arts from the University of Peshawar. He also started learning music from renowned and leading musician and singer Sultani Ustaz, Ghulam Ali Ustaz, and Mehdi Hassan Ustaz of the time in 1980, and professionally started his singing career in 1982 by making a dub in Pakistan Television Center, Peshawar. Birth name Gulzar Alam, born on 14 October 1959, Peshawar, Pakistan. Occupation singer and artist. Gulzar Alam is the first Pashto singer who used his music and singing to challenge the status quo. Gulzar Alam is a pioneer of Pashto revolutionary music. He released around 1100 to 1200 music albums in his as a professional career as a singer. Life and career. In January 2003, Gulzar was arrested while performing a private wedding but was later released. Gulzar said he was humiliated by this. However, a more serious event took place in April of that year when 27 police officers forced entry to his home and arrested his 3 sons and a brother. He stopped singing after receiving anonymous letters warning of the consequences of singing in public and started selling property instead. He eventually fled to Karachi. In 2005, he moved to Quetta. However, following the elections of February 2008, the Nationalist Awami National Party replaced the Muttahida Majlis-e-Amal, and they not only opened Nishtar Hall for cultural activities but invited Gulzar Alam back to singing. Gulzar Alam accepted the invitation wholeheartedly and started his singing career again. In April 2008, Peshawar's Nishtar Hall was city-only auditorium for promoting cultural activities, which reopened after 5 years of closure due to the policy of the previous government. Gulzar was one of the artists who performed at the reopening. Gulzar Alam was awarded Bacha Khan Peace Award twice in recognition of his services for Pashto music and peace. He won the first prize in All Pakistan Music Festival in 1994. Apart from receiving many regional, national and international awards and titles in 2011, the government, in order to recognize his services in the field of music and peace, awarded him one of the highest prestigious awards of the country, the Presidential Pride of Performance Award. In October 2017, he left Peshawar, crossing Torkham to move to Kabul due to financial hardship and alleged poor treatment of him in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Culture Department. Artists, civil societies and fans were divided on the issue. After 4 years, in December 2020, Gulzar returned to Peshawar. Fans welcomed his return to Peshawar. He said the actual reason he went to Kabul is because local traders threatened to attack him and his family. While on Kabul, a rumor circulated that he was singing songs against Pakistan and speaking out against his people. He denied it, saying, "I used to attend and perform at private functions and used to sing popular numbers advocating peace, brotherhood, mutual understanding, and national cohesion," the Dawn newspaper reported. In the future, he said that he wanted to put up albums on Gulzar's YouTube channel and establish an art academy in Islamabad. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। वस्सलाम।